We won't be able to leave.
I can't go ride. I don't know. Who will show us the lights? She will. Peace. By Jove, I am not covetous for gold, nor care I who doth feed upon my cost. It yearns me not, if men my chamois wear such outward things, dwell not in my desires. But if it be a sin to covet honor, I am the most offending soul alive. No, Faith, team, do not wish one rider to Glacier more. God's peace! I would not lose so great an honor as one man more, methinks, would share for me for the best hope I have. Oh, do not wish one more. Rather, proclaim it, Goose, to all Montana, that he who hath no stomach to this fight, let him depart. His bin shall be packed, and a ticket back east put into his hand. We would not ride in that man's company that fears his fellowship to ride with us. This day is named the Ride to Glacier. He that outlives this day and comes safe home will stand a tiptoe when this day is named, and rouse him at the name of Glacier. He that shall ride this day and see old age will, at reunions with alumni, toast his neighbor and whisper, "Remember, Glacier." Remember. Then will he strip his sleeve and show his scars and say, "These wounds I got, riding across the country." Old men forget, yet all shall be forgot. But he'll remember, with advantages, what hills he climbed that day. This story shall the good man teach his son, and Glacier National Park shall never be ridden from this day to the ending of the world, but we in it shall be remembered. We few, we happy few, we band of brothers. Today that sheds his sweat with me shall be my brother. This day shall gentle his condition, and cyclists back home, now abed, shall think themselves accursed that they are not here. Their manhood's cheap, whilst any speaks. They're out with us through Glacier National Park.
We're going to Glacier! To Glacier! Get on your horse, Lydia! And ride! Ride, Lydia! Ride away! Ride!
To the sun!
To Glacier! To